Hey everybody, it's CLO Cloud over here in San Diego. It's about lunchtime where I'm at, so I'm going to take a little break. But one thing I wanted to show you is that during lunch I normally don't drink hot coffee, but it's a great time to drink something refreshing. And to me, one of my favorite things that I love to do, again, as some of you may already have guessed, my favorite coffee by Organogold is the Gourmet Cafe Latte. And I grabbed this cafe latte out of my coffee basket and tea basket, and as you can see, it's just been a couple days and our basket is already almost empty. Wow, well, we definitely are consumers here in the Cloud family home. So this is the last sachet from my coffee basket. I'm gonna have to refill it. So basically I cut it open, and again, I'm going to go ahead and pour the contents of this into the cup, which is really easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour from my kettle hot water. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'm going to show you how quickly this is. You might already hear it just takes a matter of seconds before my kettle really starts to, get hot. So right now I'm just waiting for it to give me the signal that it is ready. But in the meantime, I just kind of wanted to show you what I have here. Behind the kettle I have a Jamaica's Blue Mountain coffee. It's our premium gourmet royal brewed coffee. It is a brewable, and it's known to be one of the finest coffees in the world. And on top of that, I have our coffee connoisseur boxes. These boxes are really great for definitely sharing with new people about my coffee. I love to give these away, and I have about, tons of them that I keep on hand. So anytime I want to share the Coffee Connoisseur Club, I can. I could tell you more about that in another video. But it stirs. Okay, it's about ready. And what you'll see here is how easy. Here you have, I already prepared a mug of ice, and I like to put a lot of ice. I personally love ice. As you can see, this is one of the mugs that I did get from New Orleans the last time I was there. So I like to use this, one of my favorite mugs here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the cup, and I'm going to go ahead and pour right over the ice. It's really that easy. Okay, put that aside. Then I'm going to take my spoon again, just to gently mix it. And there you have it, guys. That is iced latte. Easy, it's simple. You make it in just a few minutes. This literally saves you money, it saves you time, and it's equally delicious. So this is going to be my lunchtime beverage, and this is something that I do daily. This is iced coffee by Organogold. For more information, you can follow me on Facebook. I'm on Healthy Coffee Movement. And also I'll be posting my website in case you're interested in learning more about our coffee and teas. Have a great day.